Crash course on North Carolina, USA. Geographic location: North Carolina is located in the southeastern region of the United States, bordered by Virginia to the north, South Carolina and Georgia to the south, Tennessee to the west, and the Atlantic Ocean to the east. Capital: the capital of North Carolina is Raleigh. Population: North Carolina has a population of approximately 10.5 million people, making it the ninth most populous state in the U.S. Economy: the state's economy is diverse, with sectors such as technology, finance, manufacturing, agriculture, and tourism playing significant roles. Major industries include aerospace, biotechnology, automotive, banking, and food processing. Education: North Carolina has a strong education system, with renowned universities such as the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, North Carolina State University, and Duke University. It is also home to numerous community colleges and technical institutes. Brief history: North Carolina was one of the original 13 colonies and played a crucial role in the American Revolution. It was the site of the first English colony in America, Roanoke Island. The state has a rich history shaped by Native American tribes, European settlers, and African American heritage. Culture: North Carolina boasts a vibrant culture influenced by its diverse population. It is known for its traditional music genres like bluegrass and country, as well as its arts and crafts traditions. The state is also famous for its southern cuisine, including dishes like barbecue and sweet potato pie. Politics: North Carolina has a two-party political system and is considered a swing state in national elections. The state has a history of competitive races and is known for its active voter participation. Interesting story. One interesting story from North Carolina is the tale of the lost colony of Roanoke. In 1587, a group of English settlers established the Roanoke colony on Roanoke Island. However, when a supply ship returned to the colony in 1590, the settlers had mysteriously vanished, leaving behind only the word Croatoan carved on a post. To this day, the fate of the lost colony remains unknown, sparking intrigue and speculation. Top 12 attractions in North Carolina. 1. Blue Ridge Parkway. 2. Great Smoky Mountains National Park. 3. Outer Banks. 4. Biltmore Estate. 5. Cape Hatteras National Seashore. 6. Pisgah National Forest. 7. Battleship North Carolina. 8. Wright Brothers National Memorial. 9. Chimney Rock State Park. 10. NASCAR Hall of Fame. 11. North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences. 12. Carolina Beach State Park. Summarize. North Carolina, located in the southeastern United States, offers a diverse blend of natural beauty, rich history, vibrant culture, and thriving industries. From the stunning Blue Ridge Parkway and Great Smoky Mountains to the historic Outer Banks and iconic Biltmore Estate, the state is brimming with attractions for visitors of all interests. Whether you're exploring the breathtaking landscapes, immersing yourself in the local culture, or delving into the state's intriguing history, North Carolina offers a memorable experience for all. Poem about North Carolina. In the land of Carolina's charm, where history weaves its magic arm. From Roanoke's mysteries to the Outer Banks, a tapestry of tales, this state ranks. Blue Ridge's peaks kiss skies above. With whispered winds, they sing of love. Great Smoky Mountains, a majestic sight. Nature's canvas painted with pure delight. Lost Colony's enigma, a riddle untold. Leaves echoes of a past in gold. Yet in the hearts of those who roam, North Carolina finds a place called home. From sandy shores to forests green, a land of beauty, a wondrous scene, where southern soul and culture blend. In North Carolina's arms, hearts mend. Song about North Carolina. Verse 1. Oh, Carolina, land so fair. With hills and valleys, we declare. Your beauty graces every shore. From mountains tall to ocean's roar. Chorus. North Carolina, our sweet home. Where history and charm do roam. In every heart, your spirit gleams. A state of dreams, a land of dreams. Verse 2. Lost colonies mystery we embrace. A tale of courage, time can't erase. The Wright brothers soared the sky. In Kitty Hawk, where dreams did fly. Chorus. North Carolina, our sweet home. Where history and charm do roam. In every heart, your spirit gleams. A state of dreams, a land of dreams. Bridge. Blue Ridge Parkway's winding ways lead us through nature's grand displays. From Biltmore's grace to sandy shores. North Carolina, our love implores. Chorus. North Carolina, our sweet home. Where history and charm do roam. In every heart, your spirit gleams. A state of dreams, a land of dreams. Outro. In Carolina's embrace, we find a love that's true, forever binds. From mountains high to ocean's gleam. North Carolina, in our hearts, you beam. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel. Please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.